Okay, you need to give this video your full attention. I'm not selling anything. And this has nothing to do with binary options, trading Forex, or even trading anything. It isn't about making money from surveys, freelancing, or any other work from home scheme. This is about partnering with me on a real online business. One that's already proven successful for me to the tune of $1.8 million. All I ask is that you give this video 7 minutes of your time. I'm even handing out to 50 lucky people who watch this video to the end, $1,500 out of my own pocket. You heard right. If you watch this video, I'll give you $1,500. Why would I do that? Well, my name's Pete Bradshaw, and like I just showed you, I've made over $1 million online in the last 2 years. I'm still making thousands of dollars every week. Do I have your attention now? Like I said, there's nothing to buy here. You're not going to pay me a single cent. We're going to partner up and make money together. In under 5 minutes from now, you'll be able to claim your own partner website that normally costs $1,500, but I'm going to pay the cost out of my own pocket. So you can start making daily profits like these right away. $2,566, $3,852, and even $4,684 each day. These commission sites are exactly what I've been using to make over $1.8 million in the last 2 years. Now, there's only 50 free websites available, as even 50 sites cost me $75,000. But that's okay, and I'll tell you why in a moment. First, let me show you what happened 6 months ago when I offered the chance for just 3 people to get a commission site paid for by me. So, in May this year, I've been making thousands of dollars each month for over a year. After noticing a lot of people trying to make money online were struggling and not making much at all, and then saying it was impossible to make a good living online, I wanted to prove these people wrong. I wanted to help these people out. I'd already helped my brother and a longtime friend, but now I wanted to help 3 complete strangers. So I posted on a popular work-from-home forum for 3 people to try this out, and I'd pay for their site creating following my system. Within hours, I had over 20 people messaging me wanting to take part. Now, I didn't want to risk paying for 20 new sites, as I'd never tried this out on complete strangers. So I took the first 3 people and paid for their new commission website setting up. Here's their stories.
Hey Pete, buddy. Just wanted to make you this quick video to tell you about my results since we partnered together over a month ago. Once my commission site was set up, it took a couple of days to see some good results. But from then on, it's increased from a couple $100 per week to almost $2,000 per week. And it's still increasing now. Just yesterday, we broke the $500 mark. Thanks again for this. I won't forget it.
I just wanted to send you a quick update as I woke up this morning and checked my account. Well, it's awesome news. I've just broken the $10,000 mark. It's day 37 and I've made an incredible $10,307 so far. I really can't believe how easy all this has been, and seeing hundreds of dollars come into my account each day when I don't have to do any work is pretty unreal. I've been waiting until $10,000 to make sure that this is all long-term, and now I know that it is, and I'm going to go ahead and quit my day job today. So thank you so much.
Hi Pete, it's Georgia. So I partnered with you in May after I lost my job, and it's now July. So it's been around 2 months now. The commission website you paid to have created is doing really great. Most days I produce between $300, $400 pure profit, and some days it even goes over $700, which is pretty amazing if I must say. I've got to say thanks again for giving me the chance to partner with you. It's been truly, it's truly changed my life so much, and I'm so much better off and happier than I've ever been before. So I just want to say thank you very much.
Okay, so you can see this works, not only for me, not only for people close to me like my brother and my friend, but for anyone, even 3 total strangers, and it will work for you too. I promise you. Now, I'm not going to hide behind one of those fast-talking disclaimers here. I promise you it will work for you, or I'll pay you an extra $500 and buy the commission site we've partnered on from you. No small print. If it doesn't make you $5,000 in the next 30 days, I owe you another $500 out of my own pocket. So, I told you a few moments ago how this is going to cost me $75,000 out of my own pocket, and I was cool with that. Here's why. 6 months ago, when I set up 3 new partners' websites and paid $4,500 to do so, they went on to make over $400,000 between themselves. And on top of their earnings, I got paid an extra 10% bonus by the companies our websites promote through the ads on the sites. That was an extra $35,000 profit for helping 3 people. So if things work out the same, I should make $600,000 in the next 6 months alone by partnering with you and 49 other people, on top of what I'm already earning too. That's why I'm doing this. The catch, if you want. Every time one of my partners makes money, I make 10% on top. This is why I've decided to dedicate all my time to making sure every single partner is a success. Now, my partners don't pay me anything. It all comes as a bonus on top of their earnings behind the scenes. This is an extra benefit for you, if anything, because I don't make any money unless you make money. I mean, it's in my own self-interest that you and the partner website are a huge success. So if I want to make $600,000 on my investment, my partners need to make a collective $6 million in the next 6 months. You need to make money before I see any profit whatsoever. This is why I've decided to partner with you and 49 other lucky profiteers. You get to partner with me, and we both make money. It's win-win. Now, once all these 50 partner places are taken, well, this video will be taken down. So if you're watching this video right now, congratulations, there's a guaranteed free website for you. However, if you click off this page, then you're no longer guaranteed a place. Your partner website could go to someone else. So don't exit this page. Click the Get Started Now link below, and you'll be taken to the step-by-step instructions page. You can then be up and running in just 10 minutes. If you tried to make money online and failed, be it internet marketing, taking surveys, or trading binary options, then this is finally what you've been looking for, a real way to make money online with your own website that grows for the long term. And even better, with a mentor that only gets paid if you do. Remember, I don't make money unless you make money. So I'm going to personally make sure you're successful. Okay, so you need to take action now and secure your partner website worth $1,500 before someone else takes it. Go ahead and click the button below, enter your email address, and then we'll get started on this partnership. Yeah.